As I said, the prohibition was America's attempt to eliminate alcohol from everybody's home. And a popular song with the Women's Christian Temperance League was called the Temperance Train by Emmett Coleman. Emmett Coleman was a newspaper editor for the Twin City Times in Basic City, Virginia, and he wrote this song as a high performance piece using unusual sounds to recreate the sounds you would normally associate with riding in a train car as you're moving closer and closer to the final destination, temperance, or the elimination of alcohol. It is a complex song, but nevertheless was Coleman's attempt to highlight the high art of the melodies and songs of the Temperance Society. And as you'll notice at the bottom of the reprint of this song, we have an illustration, a political cartoon, essentially showing the demon drink as the devil, and the gentleman who asks the demon, "Are you the demon of alcohol or an angel?" And of course, the caption reads, "Good heavens, are you the demon rum?" And no, I am the angel of prohibition. An interesting song, a musical work that probably will not hit the top 40 anytime, but nevertheless, an interesting musical representation of what was produced by the Temperance Societies.